right? I think that's probably one of the first inflection points is that you're the salesperson to the brokers, you're the salesperson to the banks. You need to convey credibility as to why you're the guy to get it done. And I had it flipped at that point.
And when we did close that first deal, it took us 18 long, painful months. I remember being in the basement of my house in New York, walking around and going, "Are we getting back? Are we back, dude? We have to start looking again." Because Jake had bought the house. He got some seed money. And the reason why he moved to Knoxville was it was so affordable. He was able to continue to save money. And after 18 months, we found the Ricky G, amazing broker. We got seller financing in that very first deal, very similar to what's going on right now. And after that
Ooh.
first deal, 3 months later, we got our second deal. But for those of you out there that are getting into the business or starting to get into the business or haven't closed a deal in the last couple of years, remember, it's just a microcosm of what your entire life looks like. If you're 38 years old or 40 years old, you've got another 20 to 25 years of investing. If you haven't bought a deal in the last year, stick with it. They're coming back. Brokers are actually calling us back. They're actually cold calling us.
They're being
sending us
proactive
emails.
versus sitting on their heels and allowing everything to come in. This is the big shift from last year, from 2021 to 2022. Brokers could send out a deal online. Everybody sees it. They're getting 20 offers and they're, going through which highest price. Okay, give me a best and final and raise your price. It was a very different time. Now interest rates are up. Brokers are sending deals out, but the rates are unattractive and there's demand plummeting. It's changed completely, basically overnight as the rates have gone up. So we are in a different environment, and I believe it lends itself to much more opportunity for value add investors.
If you like to binge watch on YouTube, go to our channel, Jake and Gino. Start binge watching how-tos. We talk about the market cycles. We talk about what's going on with interest rates. Why are prices plunging? Well, maybe syndicators are having a tougher time raising capital. Maybe the capital is drying up. The cost of capital is going up. You're going to learn that all on the Jake and Gino how-to. And
It's
it's really
very simple, Gino. It's two things. Rates have gone up. Okay. It's got investors skittish, and there's less money flowing to syndicators. It's a reduction in capital. It's harder to get capital, and rates are up. It's very simple. I mean, it's pretty black and white.